you see, India, the hotel industry in India, or the accommodation business in India, is spread across organized branded hotels, which are about 150 to 200,000 rooms. Then the standalone unbranded hotels, which is another 150, 200,000 rooms, and below which is the guest house segment, which is about 1 million plus rooms. So currently the aggregator model is focused on the fragmented guest house space. Some of them are like Oyo or a Tribo or a Fab Hotels. These companies have started now moving up into the, well, let me say the quasi-organized space, which is the unbranded standalone hotels. Long term, I see this as a good move because they will help organize a sector, make it more quality, make it give more quality, better quality to customers, also distribute the product better. So they're all part of an ecosystem, and I think in the next 3 to 5 years, we will see the entire industry consolidated and no longer as fragmented as it was in the past.